Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So as the Galaxy S21 Ultra series is going to be coming in the reviewer hands, and we are seeing that there are some problems that are coming alongside with the S21 Ultra. There is one particular app that is killing the battery life of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and that is coming in the SmartThing user app. Basically that information has been shared by Sam Mobiles on their website, and according to them, SmartThing app, which is coming with the One UI 3.1 support, is going to be killing the battery life of S21 Ultra. According to the leaked screenshot images that has been shared by Sam Mobiles, and they are guessing that the issue in the SmartThing app, Galaxy S21 Ultra was used for roughly 10 hours and SmartThings were the most demanding app, even if it was only running in the background. A battery hint of 14.6% for 8 hours for background usage of SmartThing, and it's not only normal. Well, I think that this is not going to be a big issue because it can be resolved. Either way, you can uninstall the app, or maybe Samsung must provide an update. Another news that is coming for the Samsung Galaxy S21 series, that the base model Galaxy S21 pre-order expected to be surpassing the Galaxy S20, which means that it is going to be 15 or 20% more order as compared to the last year Galaxy S20 lineup. Particularly that one reason, I honestly think that the Galaxy S21 is coming with a better price tag and having a functionality of a premium level inside the device, making the pre-orders to go boom. And finally, the teardown video for the Galaxy S21 Ultra has been arrived, and it indicates that the device is going to be even harder for the replacement of battery and the front panel. After the Galaxy S21 got disassembled on the video earlier this week, the PPK reviewer has switched their focus to the flagship of this year S line, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Taking the glass back off reveals the camera lens's cover is made from metal, just like the frame of the device. It's held by adhesive to glass panel and should subsequently more durable compared to glass camera cover on the previous S series models. Since this is the international version of the S21 Ultra, the phone is missing the mmWave antenna, which would be located on the left and right sides. The actual slot for the antennas are still in place though. Going deeper into the phones, we can see that Samsung used plenty of the graphite films on NFC antenna and motherboards, and we then got the confirmation that there are going to be 3 cameras on the S21 Ultra come with an optical image stabilization. Unlike the standard S21 Ultra screen connector cables is not detachable and it is fixed on the screen, which makes the process of replacing the screen more difficult. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.